Allegheny County is reporting another spike in coronavirus cases. 45 new cases were reported today. There are also 45 new cases on Monday, the highest since early May. The county also reported 5 additional deaths today from the virus. So far, 184 people have died from the virus in Allegheny County. The Allegheny County Executive and Health Director addressed the rise in local cases in just the past hour. Amy Wadas is live now with the county's message on preventing cases from continuing to rise. Amy.
Christine, the county says this rise in cases for the third straight day is concerning, and they want to stress in order to keep the economy open, everyone must follow social distancing guidelines, wash their hands, even wear a mask, especially in public places where there are a lot of crowds. Now, Allegheny County Health Department Director Deborah Bogan says most of the new cases are younger people who don't know they've been infected. She also says a lot of the cases are coming from people who traveled out of state and some who have spent time in bars, but not a particular event or hotspot. Earlier today, UPMC reported that they are still seeing a low number of hospitalizations from COVID. Now, Dr. Donald Yealy says the rise in overall case counts is mostly showing mild illnesses. Dr. Bogan says we still need to be cautious.
For herd immunity to have really any effect in our community, you have to have at least 60% of people who are immune, either through natural immunity by having had the infection or through immunization. So we are far from that. And the problem with increasing numbers, even among our young people, is that as you get more and more cases like they had in New York City, even young people have succumbed to COVID-19. And so it's sort of an odds game, right? The more people who get it, the more you get the rare outcome of a bad outcome.
Now, as for hospitalizations, Dr. Bogan wants to remind people that there is typically a lag about a week behind when it comes to positive COVID tests. She also wants to reiterate that there is still a lot of contact tracing going on. They're continuing to increase those contact tracing efforts as well as testing. And if you feel symptoms, be sure to get tested. Reporting live, Amy Wadas, KDKA News.